Yes, good morning. Hello. Yes, shall we begin the session? Today's topic is chapter number 13, Java strings, how to use Java strings, or how to use the strings in the Java programming in simple terms. String is a sequence of the characters. They are also referred as objects. Okay. So let's start with how to create a string. So first of all, what is a string? So when we combine multiple characters, that is known as a string. So for example, when I write thi as this is also a string, and one of the important thing is that string always terminate with the null character. So for example, if I want to create a string that is a thi as this, so I have to create a character or the string of the 5 bytes or the 5 bits. 5 because char takes 1 byte. Why it takes the 5 byte? Because one is used for the null character that is at the end of the string. So strings are widely used in the Java programming as a sequence of the characters, and in the Java language, strings are also known as objects. And Java platform provides a string class to create and manipulate the string. Then next is how to create the string. The most directed way to create a string is to write string greeting hello world. This is to write string, then there is a greeting equals to hello world. Hello world in the sense this is the string that is given, and greeting is the name of the variable. This is hello world, and whenever it uses a string later in your code, the compiler creates a string object with its values. It creates a string object with its value. In this case, there is a hello world. As any other object, you can create also the string by using the new keywords. New keywords is also used over here, and the constructors. And string class has 11 constructor that allows you to provide the initial values of the string using different sources such as the array of the characters. This is the public class string demo, public static void main string args, char array or char hello array, then hello, this is the array that is given. So there are 5 characters and there is also a dot. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters that is available in the single quotes. Then string, yes, next one is a string that is a hello string equals to new string. So we are creating a new string as a name of the hello array. Then system.out.println. System.out.println means to print on the screen what is the content that is printed on the screen, that is a hello string. So we're given in this one system.out.println hello string. This is public class string demo. This is the static void main string args, char array or hello array. This is used with a new string, then println. Now, what is the output over here? This output is used with the println hello string. This is going into this one. Now, what is the content or what is the output that is contained in the hello string? That is hello array. So this is available within the hello array. Now, string is immutable, so that once it is created, a string object cannot be changed. So if there is a necessity to make any changes or modification to the string of the character, so you can use the string buffer and the string builder classes. So in case you need any modifications in the string of the characters, because that is not possible in the string of the characters in the string, but that is possible by using the string buffer and the string builder classes. The next one is a string length. So the method that is used to obtain the information about an object are known as the ancestor methods or are used as methods. And one ancestor method that you can use with a string is the length method. So one of the method is used as a length method that returns a number of characters contained in the string. So whatever the characters, whatever the information that is obtained in the string that is used with the ancestor class, and this method will be used to calculate the length function. So we are using the length function that denotes how many characters are available. So this gives the output in an integer value. For example, if I am talking about this, so there are 4 array or the 5 characters. So the length function gives the output as a 5 or the 4, including the null characters. So after the following 2 lines of code that have been executed, len equals 17. So public class string demo, public static void main string args, then string palindrome dot so I was stored. This is one of the string that is given. Then int len equals to palindrome dot length. Then system dot out dot println string length is plus len. So this is available within the plus len that is used with the length len variable. This is a plus len. Then this is given as a length. What is the length that is available? So there are 3, then there is a space 4, then 3, 7, then space 8, then 9, then space, yes, 11, 12, 13, 14, then space 15, 16, 17. There are total 17 characters that is used, right? So the next one is a concatenating the string. That means concatenating in the string sense we can also combine the string. For example, if my first name and the last name I want to combine, that is given by the concatenating the string, or that is given by addition of the string, that is known as concatenating. So concatenating means merging of the strings. So this returns, or this is the example that is used, or what is the output that is used, or what is the function that is available for concatenating. This is string 1 dot concat string 2. So this returns a new string, that is string 1 with the string 2 that is added to the end, or added it at the end. Yeah, this is very much important, that if I'm giving the string 2 in the or after the concatenated, or after the concatenate, that is within the curly braces, within the parentheses, this is given as a, or this is appended at the end. So you can also use the concat function that is used with the literals. So this is my name is concat Zara. So first of all, it is available with the my name is that is given. Then next one is a concat that is available within the double quote, that is Zara. So this is hello, then word that is available. So this is the hello word. Now this is one of the example, public class string demo. So one of the class that is available as a string demo, public static void main string args. So this is available as a public static void main string args. Then string 1. So this is used as a string 1 of the string type. Then so I was. So this is so I was that is given available over here. Then system.out.println dot plus string plus dot. So this is available as a dot. Then plus string, so this is given as a string, then there is a dot. So this is available as it is, dot, so I was dot, dot, so I was dot. So this is given as a variable, this is given as a string. Now how to use the string, or how to format the string? So that means creating the format strings, creating the format string in the sense how to create the strings, or how to format the strings, how to make the attractive look on the strings. This is system.out.println. The value of the float variable is this. This is %f, while the value of the integer variable is t, and the string is float var, int var, string var. You can also write string fs. This is equals to a string dot format. The value of the float variable is this, while the value of the integer is this. Then float var, int var, string var. Then system.out.println fs. This is available as a fs. Fs means variable. This is available with this. So this is available, or this is used, or this is the output that is printed over here. Now these are the various string methods. This is the char at int index. This returns a character at the specified index. Then int compare to object o. This compare this string to the another object. Then int compare to string another object. This compare the two strings. Yes, lexicographically. That means internally they are using, or internally they are sharing the memory. Then int compare to ignore case. That means it is comparing the two strings, but without ignoring, or without using the, or ignoring the simply the case, that is the positive and the uppercase and the lowercase are not case sensitive over here. Then string concat, string str. This concatenates the specified string to the end of the string. Then boolean content equal, this is string buffer sb. This returns a true if and only if the string represents the same sequence of the characters as the specified string buffer. Then static string copy value of char data. This returns a string that represents the character sequence in the array specified. Then static string copy value of char data, int offset, int count. So this returns a string that represents the character specified in the array. Then boolean ends with Boolean equals, then Boolean equal ignore case, byte get bytes, then byte get bytes is a string char set name, then void get chars, int hash code, int index of with the int ch int from index. Then again there is the index of string str, int index of string str int from index, then intern, last index of last index of the string str. These are the various, we can say, the function that is used, the string substring. That means we are using, or this returns a new string that is a substring of the string. Then a two upper or the two lower case, that is allocate the given string, then string to string. Now this object that is already a string itself returned. Then string to uppercase, string trim. This returns a copy of the string with leading and trailing white spaces omitted. Then static string value of affirmative data type A. This returns the string representative of the past data type arguments. This is used as a caret index. This is the description over here. This method returns a character located in the string specified index, and this the string index starts from the 0. This is the syntax that is given: public caret int index. Int index in the sense this is variable that is, or index is a variable of the integer type. This is the index of the character to be returned. This method returns a char at the specified index. This is one of the example. Public class test, public static void main string args, string s equals to strings are the immutable. Then char result s dot char at a, system dot out dot println result. Then int compare to object O. This is the description. So there are two methods. There are two variants of this method. First method compares this string to the another object, and the second method compares the two strings lexicographically. This is the syntax that is given: int compare to object O or int compare to string another object. These are the parameters. This is the object to be compared, another string to be compared. The int compare to string another object. This is a description that is given. Now the next part is int compare to ignore case. So it is comparing the strings but ignoring the case. That is ignoring the case in the sense that it is not that uppercase and the lowercase are different one, but these are treated as the same one. This method compare to strings lexicographically ignoring the case difference, and this is the syntax of this method. This is int compare to ignore case string str, and then parameter. This is the detail of the parameter string str, that string to be compared. Then return value. This returns a negative integer, 0 or positive integer as a specified string that is greater than or equals to or less than the string, ignoring the case consideration. This is one of the example. Public class test, public static void main string args, then string str1, strings are the immutable, then string str2, that is strings are the immutable, then again three integers are not immutable. So there are three strings that is available: string1 or str1, str2, str3. Then int result str1 dot compare to ignore case str2, then system dot out dot println results. This is available as a system dot out dot println result. Then result equals to str2. Now str1 is also compared with the str2. Then str2 is compared with the str3 but ignoring the cases. Then string system dot out dot println result. Then str3 compared to ignore case str1. So str1 is compared with str2, str2 is compared with str3, str3 is compared with str1. Then output will be used, or output will be available, output will be stored in the result variable, same result variable. This is the 0. First of all, there is a 0 because it is no case, there is no cases that is same. So everything is same, ignoring the cases, string 1 and string 2, then string 2 and the string 3, only 10 characters are the same, then minus 10, that means nothing is same with this one. Then string concat, string str, that means concatenating the strings within the str. Then parameter, what are the parameter that is used? So boolean content equals string buffer sb. This method returns true if and only if the string represents the same sequence of characters as specified in the string buffer. And this is the syntax of the method. Boolean or public Boolean content equals string buffer SB. Now these are the parameters, that is a string buffer to compare, whatever the string buffer that is to be compared over here. Then return value. This method returns true if and only if the string represents the same sequence of the characters as specified in the string buffer. Otherwise it represents a false value. Then public class test, public static void main string args, then string str1. What is the string str1? That is a non-immutable. Then str2, that is the strings are the immutable. So there are two parts that is available over here. So one is a string str1, that is the not immutable. Then str2, that is strings are the immutable. Then str3, now the buffers or they are string buffer, that is str3, that is new string buffer, non immutable. Okay, again this is using the three strings str1, str2 and str3. Then boolean result equals to str1 dot content equals. So str1 dot content equal means str1 is compared with the str3. Now system.out.println results. So this is used as a result. This is used as a result in the sense output will be stored in the result that is displayed with the help of the system.out.println. So this is the output. One is representing the true, one is representing the false. Now this is again the syntax of this example. Boolean ends first, string at value. Then boolean equals object and object. Then equal ignore case, that is string within the another case, another string. Then byte get bytes, these are the parameter return values, whatever the return value that is used over here. Then void get char, int src, int source begin, int source end, then char destination, then int destination begin. So it is begin with the destination. Then hint hash code, the hash code is available with the for the string that is used with the string object. Then int index of int char or int ch. Now this is one of the important function, int length. Calculating the length or returns the length of the string. This is given in the 16-bit Unicode characters in the string. And these are the parameters that is used over here. Now next one is a boolean reason message that is used with the how to match with this. So boolean matching or the boolean reason match, that is int offset, string other, int offset, int length. This is the description. This method has a two variant which can be used to test if the two string reasons are equal or not. Now this is the reason, that is how it is used or how it is available within this one. So these are the two variants which can be used to test if the two strings are equal or not. This is the two of string, the starting offset of the subregion in this string, and the other, the string argument, then offset. This is the starting offset, that is of the subregions available within this. Then the len, the number of characters to compare, ignore case, if true, ignore the case when comparing the character. Then there is a return value in the sense what is the return value that is used, that is of the string, that is of the integer, that is of the char. This is the string replace. Now we are replacing the string with the old char with the new char. So this is a char, old char, then there's a char, new char. New char is or resulting from the replacing all the occurrences of the old char in the string with the new char. This is the public string replace char, old char, then char, new char. This is the detail of the parameter. This is the old char, that is the old character. The new char, this is the new character. So it returns a string derived from this string by comparing every occurrence of the old char with the new char. Then string replace all, everything is replaced over here. This is the replace first, then split, then starts with, this is starts with the string prefix, then string starts with, then char sequence of string, char to char array, then string to uppercase, then trim, string value of parameters are used with this one. So these are the various functions that is available over here. That is the last function is string value of data type X. We are using the primitive data type that is of the X. And this is the variant that depends on the pass parameter. This returns the string representative of the pass parameter, that is the value of boolean B, value of char C, char data. Now next one is chapter number 14. That is the Java arrays that I'm going to start with in the next class, that is the tomorrow's class. That is how to use the array, that is a contiguous location or the collection of the contiguous or the collection of the various, we can say the numbers, various array in a one contiguous location. That is a Java arrays. That is available. Yes, that is we are going to study in the next class, that is in the tomorrow's class. All right. So in chapter number 13, any doubts, anyone? Regarding any function and anything about the strings, about the Java strings, anything that you want to ask?